how I see the market in corrections is actually working in 5 waves. Very easy, let me explain. It's like you can see some movement like that. Then you have the first instant to actually to decide, am I gonna go? Okay, I'll explain this in a minute. And then you got somehow it could be this option or could be that option. And then you got the first lock out of the area. And then you're gonna have the first instant that's going to this new high, and they're gonna question themselves, am I gonna go up or not? More. Then you're gonna have a new high, and then you're gonna have what is called a ABC, and it could be shorter or longer, depends on the structure. Anyway, so this structure here that I tried to point at is actually at the first instant is like we got a big drop or we got a big up, and then there is a moment that there is what is called a correction of the markets. Let's talk about this particular here. This is actually panicking, fear. It's like pretty much is actually happening in the market across everything. This one is the weaker than the strong. Australia was actually weaker than the dollar. So there was panicking on the Australian and was selling off very quickly. In this case, you got the first instant is like you go these lows. We can analyze as well all this area, but I just do the general part. You got this part here first, and that's the first time I say, am I gonna go higher than that? So let's make a zoom in the area. So the question here is that, okay, we are very low situation. So it means we came from very high, and this is the first time I'm going to thinking, okay, that my price was $67. Now I'm gonna go to 57. Am I actually gonna go to this high level here back again, or am I continue down? So this is actually the one give you the answer. So you go this option. In this case was this particular one. Some of other cases you're gonna see doing this. You will see that it's going below and it's take above. So in this case, it's been doing this only and it's take above. Yeah. So this actually, this case, this has been blocked out. This is the first time I say to me, I want to go up again. I don't fear anymore. I want to change my direction. I think there is some hope here that I will go up again. So yes, that's the question of fears and emotions. So you got this option here, and that's the first sign of hope compared with these losses. Yeah. Now, this is the first movement down, and then you go the actual what is called the lock or classic entry to move forward. So this is actually becoming a structure to decide to continue up. Yeah. So it will be something like this. Yeah. So from this area on is actually long. So at this point you start to thinking, okay, am I gonna go where? Already been holding nicely this area. Am I going to go higher than that? So they're looking for to pass this level. So if the price was $66 here, I went down to this. Now we are in the middle. My question is, am I gonna go higher than that? So I'm not sure. Doing a structure movement, the push again, you say, oof, I'm gonna go higher. I'm not sure. What's happened, I'm not sure. It's like I got doubts to have a direction of the market. And in this case, particular case, we have what is called symmetrical triangle or RTT. So we're gonna have some structure like this, yeah. And in this particular moment, you can actually point it this way, or you can actually point it this way as well. It's even actually lower it here. You can make it this way as well. But obviously the broken point is this one there first. So if you actually measure this, I don't know what to do until I break the decision. So the decision has been made. I'm gonna go low, I'm gonna go higher. Yeah. And that's actually what the psychology is actually telling you, that at this point, on this picture that I was actually writing here, is that this structure here is like I don't know if I'm gonna go to this level again. So this is like the one, I don't know what to do. In this particular case, it's close to that. Can you see that? So it just doing this at one point at this level, a break off, and they continue up long.